go. This is Thermite Test 1. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully it don't blow anything up. And now we wait. Don't look directly into it once it lights. That's it. You can come back in. Okay. It's not gonna blow up. That's about it. Yeah. Okay, back up. I heard that, I'm like, that's bad. Wow, no more pot. Okay.